October 2nd. Okay, new month, new goals, new things, you know what I'm saying? I'm editing a vlog now that I went to the gym in, but I still feel like I don't record myself in the gym a lot. And sometimes it be because I just be trying to get my workout in and get it done, even though it really don't be that hard prepping up the camera. Yeah, doing that. So today's a leg day. I think I already said it's October 2nd. I just got off work. I got off at like 2:30. Went home, changed my clothes, and now we're in here. I'm kind of tired, but you know, I'm getting a little tired of my own BS. So even though I don't feel like going, we're gonna go. I guess it ain't that bad. But yeah, I forgot my shake bottle again, so dry scooping again. It is go. Anyways, haven't really been doing anything, editing, getting more things planned for me to invest in and try, so that we can, you know what I'm saying, get the lifestyle I want on and popping. I don't, you know what I'm saying, y'all say we got time. No, we don't. So yeah, doing that, but I don't have anything else to say, so I'm gonna see how long we get. Anyways, I'm out the gym. As y'all seen, I literally only did hip thrusts. RDLs, and my cable kickbacks. But bruh, I was gonna do 20 minutes on a treadmill and my Bulgarians, but I don't know, I started feeling really bad. Like right before I went in the gym, that wave of like hunger hit me, but I was not hungry the whole entire time. Anyways, but that wave of hunger literally hit me like right before I went in the gym, but it was like, it's already too late. I'm already here. I already took my pre-workout, and I'm not gonna sit here and go get food and have to wait an additional. Nah, so I just went ahead and did it. But it's just like, oh my goodness, I realized why I eat every single time before I come to the gym. I'm not gonna say I didn't eat today, but I ate. But it was earlier, but it should have been enough to last like now, like. But anyways, I got in there and did something. I feel like that's all that matters. I did 3 out of my 4 exercises, but I didn't do any cardio. But that cardio, nah, them split squats would took me out. Like to the point like my hand was literally like shaking right before I took my pre-workout. But I got in there and did something. Like I said, I didn't let myself chicken out. I told myself I was gonna go to the gym today, and I did just that. So to eat, I'm gonna get some Chick-fil-A. I'm probably just gonna get a little 8 count with some lemonade, I just don't feel very good right now, but yeah, bye. y'all, so before we get up here, I didn't tell y'all, so I finally am buying pieces, like little accessories to my car and stuff. Finally. You know what I'm saying? Had things to take care of. I put that to the side. But so I got this because the color theme, don't get me wrong, I love my girl Pink. You know what I'm saying? I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. Anyways, I love the pink and everything, but for this car specifically, I just feel like red and black is gonna make it look nice, grown, sexy. You know what I'm saying? It's giving grown, it's giving adult. You know what I'm saying? So I got this black and red off-white keychain. Yeah. And then when I was at the hair store, I seen this red bee. I was finna buy one off Amazon, but that one was like $20. This one at the hair store for $7. Yeah, it's tripping. And yeah, I still have to order my key fob cover. And then I got these little things right here because, like, oh my goodness, the way that I was dropping my phone and my AirPods and candy and everything in this little slide, like, it's on both sides. It was a shame. It was just, ooh, that sounded rough. Anyways, yes, it was just such a shame. Like, I didn't. Every time I'm sitting here, I'm just hearing something. Come on now, like. But this line does need to hurry up because I really feel as though I'm finna, like, in the drive-through, like, they need to come on. I feel extremely weak, lightheaded. They need to come on. Okay, it's my turn. It's my turn. Hi, good. How are you?
You have the applicants?
Yeah.
Can I get you today?
Can I get an 8-count nugget meal?
Drink?
Sunjoy. Well, no, lemonade. Sorry.
Sauces?
2 Polynesian, 2 Chick-fil-A, and that'll be it.
Okay, 8-count nugget meal, lemonade, Polynesian, and Chick-fil-A.
Mm-hmm.
And that'll be $10.90. You're all set?
Thank you. You too.
On a different time and wake up and I get the ground and brush 2 bitches about it.
Anyways, I'm about to stay here and eat this. Hopefully come back to life. My stomach hurts. What doesn't hurt? It just burns. And yeah, I'll be back, y'all.